Right, YouTube. So that's the Logitech Z337 subwoofer, the main unit. The speakers are not here. It's mounted on the wall right behind that computer table. So what I'm gonna do is a sound test, mainly the bass test of this thing. It's right here under this table, and no place here for, don't have much place for proper. I have a lot of speakers connected to my PC, so there is a problem with the space. So there is no proper placement for uh, all this stuff, and that's why I just kept it here, and just like this, that the port is on this side towards me. So I'm going to do the test here, and the bass is at the max level. So let's do that.